Hi, this is Dave with Eldertree, and in this video I'm going to give a brief overview of the conversation section on the Eldertree website. And when I do trainings on Eldertree or I'm talking to people about Eldertree, when I describe this section, the conversation section, I like to say that this is kind of where a lot of the action takes place. This is where you're able to make those connections with other users, family and friends, and Eldertree coaches. We have 4 sections in the conversation section. The first one is private messages, and this is where you can send messages to other Eldertree members that are private. No one else on the site will see those messages. You can send them to one other Eldertree member, or you could send them to 5 other Eldertree members, however many you wanted to, but that communication between you and those other members is strictly private. The next section is called public discussions, and this is where we have different discussion topics, things like just chatting or health and wellness, among others. And any conversations that are going on in here, if you post a message in this area, all of the site will be able to see it. It's public and it's available for everybody to take part in. And so when you're posting, just be aware of that this is, your mindset should be, I'm posting something that everybody can see and everybody can share in. The next section is called family and friends. And this is a way for you to invite family and friends to take part in Eldertree, but in a very limited way. They won't have access to the rest of the site. They'll just have access to a private discussion group between you and them. And so it's kind of like private messages, but it's specifically for you and family and friends that you invite to join Eldertree. And the last one is Ask a Coach. And this is a way that you can send private messages just to an Eldertree coach, a falls prevention coach, or caregiving coach, and so on. And so it is very similar to private messages, but it lets you send a private message just to one coach. It lets you have a private, personal conversation with one of our coaches. To go into one of these conversation sections, all you need to do is either with your mouse, you can click on one of the boxes here that has the section that you want to go into. And you can see here this icon in the middle turns blue. That means I can click it and it's going to take me into that other section. If you want to get back to the main conversations page, there's a couple ways to do it. One is you can click on Back to Conversations, this link right up here on the top left. Or you can click on the Conversations tab, which is right here on the top of the page. If you have any questions, post your question into the Eldertree Help discussion group, or you can always call our 1-800 number at 1-800-480-9223.